Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a Finviz scanner. I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up and what all the criteria means, just so you can understand everything. So I'm going to walk through it. It's going to be an in-depth video. It's going to show you everything that you need to know on how to use this scanner properly. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to finviz.com, and then you're going to go over here to the screener tab. And then once you're on the screener tab, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to descriptive, and we're going to change market cap to over 2 billion. So pretty much we're scanning for stocks that are worth over $2 billion. So we're not going to be trading any micro cap or nano cap stocks. We're looking for strong companies that are actually worth something. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change average volume to over 500K. So we're looking for stocks that are trading over 500,000 shares on average per day. So that means that they're actually traded companies, so the charts are going to look good without light volume. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to industry. You're going to set this to stocks only. So this is going to get rid of any ETFs or funds. And then the next thing is you're going to go to price. You're going to set this to over $10. The reasoning for that is that we don't want any penny stocks or anything worth less than $10. And then you're going to go to Ipo Date, and you're going to set this to in the last 3 years. So the reasoning for that is typically most companies make the biggest moves in the first 3 years after they just IPO'd. So that's everything that you're going to need on the descriptive tab. And then you can go over here to the fundamental tab. So once you're on the fundamental tab, there's only going to be two things that we're focusing on, and that's going to be EPS growth next year and sales growth quarter over quarter. So we're looking for companies that their earnings, they're growing, their earnings are growing year over year, as well as their sales are growing quarter over quarter. So we're looking for companies that are actually growing and making more revenues. So these are going to be companies where if you look at their stock, it's going to be in a nice uptrend because they're actually growing their sales and their revenues. So we're going to go to over 20% for both of these. And then you're going to go to the technical tab, and the final things that we're going to do is we're going to use the 20-day simple moving average, and we're just going to do price above. And then we're going to do the same thing here, price above, and the same thing with the 200 SMA. So the reasoning for that is now we have stocks that are in an uptrend as well. So it's going to be above our 3 main moving averages. And then the final little thing that we're going to do is we're going to do change from open, and we're just going to do up. So it's just going to show us stocks that are up today. And then what I like to do is I like to sort everything by volume. So if I go over here and I click it twice, now we sort everything from increasing volume. We have our setups. So if we go through here, where is it? Total 32. So we have 32 stocks, right? So if you look here, you can look at PLTR's chart, right? Wasn't a nice downtrend. It's just breaking out. PLTR, it's looking like a good setup, right? Tiger just made new highs, breaking out. Futu, a little bit of a pullback, right? So these are extreme high momentum stocks that are making high growth, and they have a good future ahead of them, right? So these are going to be really good setups to look for long breakout setups on them. So you look for like a little bit of a consolidation period or a pullback into some resistance, some of your moving averages, or whatever you use as resistance, and you want to look for some breakouts on these stocks. So this is going to be one of the best scanners that you can use out there on the internet. So I highly recommend everybody to come on here, try it out, look at some of these stocks, look for some setups, and let me know what you guys think about it. So yeah, enjoy using the scanner, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos here. They're going to be longer videos, more in-depth stuff. And then drop a comment too. And then check out my other socials. I'm going to be going live on Twitch probably on Monday. Check out my Twitter. And I also have a Discord. The link's in the description below. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And peace out.